Today we are talking about the funding fee. I'll show you how the funding fee can really mess you. It can lead to losses if you don't learn this. So we'll use a good example. So we can use Epic USDT. So we'll search Epic USDT. It's a pumping coin, Epic USDT. So when you look at this coin, the funding time is 4 hours. So after the funding time is here, you can see it. So after every 4 hours, if you are shorting this trade, you'll be deducted 0.015, the funding fee, in a span of every 4 hours. So if this coin looks perfect in the trading view, when you're shorting, you must look all the time frames, also the 1 day time frame. It should be showing that the coin is dropping, is depreciating. So this is a good coin. So we look another coin. Let's say Polix USDT. So Polix. So we look at Polix USDT. So this is a very good example. So as you can see, Polix, the funding time is 4 hours. After every 4 hours, you will be deducted 0.6 if you are shorting this coin. So you can imagine, after every 4 hours, they will deduct 0.65 USDT. So if you enter this trade, you must be very careful. This transaction fee is very high. Imagine entering this coin. You short this coin. Unfortunately, it pumps. You end up in a floating loss of 2 days. In a span of 4 hours, you'll be deducted $0.6. Remember, we said that when the funding fee is negative, the short traders will pay the long traders. If the funding fee is positive, it's the other way around now. The long traders will pay the short traders. Let's look another example. Let's look Mubarak USDT. Mubarak. You can see, if you short this trade in a span of 4 hours, you'll be receiving 0.05% of your initial investment. If you enter this trade with $100, you will get 0.005. That if when you are shorting this trade. Are we together up to that point? Let's check another coin, FX USDT. FX USDT. FX USDT. You can see the funding time is 8 hours countdown. So after every 8 hours, if you're shorting this trade, you will receive 0.01% of your investment as your funding fee. Remember, in funding fee, you can get the funding fee or you can be deducted the funding fee. Are we together? I hope you've learned something. Otherwise, jamaa, nawapenda sana.